The questionnaire capabilities within Paramount WorkPlace allow you to enhance communications, streamline entry, and prompt users to provide key information for specific charges as a requirement or optional. I have a requisition here for a new hire. As a part of that requisition, we're asking for a laptop, and the expense type for that line is IT. The questionnaires are driven by the expense type that is chosen on the line, and for IT, you'll see that there's an icon here that indicates that this line has a questionnaire. I'll select that, and then I'm asking the user to input information about this laptop. I can make the entries required so that a user must put information into those fields. I can have drop-down selections for the user. I can have checkboxes as well as free-form entry. So I'd like for the user to let me know what screen size they prefer, amount of RAM, hard drive, do they want a solid state drive, and then any additional configuration details. As you can see, the free-form text entry has the ability to put in hints so that the user will know what it is that you're asking. So if they have none, then I'm also asking them to input none as a requirement of entry of that questionnaire. These questionnaires are very easy to set up. You can have different input regarding the drop-down, the checkboxes, numeric entry, as well as alphanumeric entry for the user to be able to input that information. There's an unlimited number of questions, and again, they're highly configurable by you as an administrator. You don't need to have programming knowledge in order to be able to create these questionnaires by expense type. That information is now a part of this requisition. Once it's submitted for approval, it'll be available for any of the other users to view that information and get those details prior to the purchase order being created. Since we're asking the user to provide some additional information in this instance for a laptop, somebody else along the line, one of the approvers, could be a member of IT, they could now provide additional details for that laptop using the comments, using attachments, ultimately put in the price, and continue this item moving through the process. So again, the questionnaires allow you to have multiple data types entered for the questionnaires, require the user to enter the information or simply provide the input as an option, and then have that information be a part of the line on the requisition before being submitted for approval.